Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. Here are your words of wisdom. Happy minds, happy life. It's safe to say it's only really now that we know the place we need to look after the most is actually in our heads. If we are good in our minds with everything straightforward and not confuzzled, then that is the best starting point for anyone to be in. A happy mind puts the best mindset in place that we can have. It all leads to a happy life full of excitement and happiness, as that is what we all deserve in this crazy world that we live in.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.